Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today my video is going to be on how I wear clip-in extensions when I feel like having longer hair. My hair's always just been short, so I've actually been wearing clip-in extensions for a few years, actually I think longer than that. I like my short hair, and to be honest, I think that's when I feel most confident because I feel like I'm supposed to just have short hair. But there are times when I do feel like having longer hair and I can't magically make it grow, so I have to wear extensions. So the extensions that I get are 100% human hair, and I get them from like an extension store. You can get them from any like extension or wig store. So that's what I do. So this is my natural hair, and what I do is, so they just look like this. What I'll do is I put that in the bottom to just make it look like more blended. So I'll go from the bottom and just section my hair. You can like clip your hair and then like use both your hands, but I've done this for so long that I could do this with my eyes closed. So I'll clip one side right here, and then you'll get like what I do is like I buy the tracks. It's like a really long track, and I cut them, and I like literally measure the bottom of my head to like the top to see how I can make it look good. So I have my bottom ones clipped in. So you can see that made a difference, but it's still too thin, so you always need more than one, unless you have thinner hair. I'll just go not too far up here, just like in the middle, and section it out. And this is the longer piece, so and then you clip, clip, and clip. So I do three clips on these. Okay, so I put my extensions in. So this is how it looks. So then what I'll do, I kind of want to just give my hair like a little funk, you know, because it's so flat right now. So this is actually not hairspray. I'm putting dry shampoo, and I'm using, it's just a silk dry shampoo. Just like here, and here. Gotta give this some life. So I'm gonna use a wand. So this is the wand that I use. It's Conair. It heats up really high. So I've had it on for a while, so it's hot now. So I'm gonna start off by one side, and I'll show you guys how I do some of my waves. So for the front of my hair, I usually don't like to touch my bangs. I just leave that here, and then I'll take this section. So this one doesn't have like any extension to it, it's just my hair. So I'll take the wand, so just, you don't have to spin it, but it's just like something I've always done, and I don't want it to be too curly, so I just let it loose, and then I'll take my other piece, and this one does have the extension, so it looks like this. So I don't go too far up, I just kind of want to leave it around here. So spin it back, just like that, and take it out. Okay, so that's how it looks, just like a messy wave. I'll do one more, and then I'm not gonna like really show you guys how I do my whole hair, like my whole entire head, because I think you guys get the point. So again, take this, put your hair like this, and spin. And wrap. So I'm gonna finish the rest of this side, and I'll be right back. So I finished. So with this part of my hair, it's just like a longer bang. So I don't like this part to be really curly. I like when it's like really loose. So when I do it, I'm just gonna like barely do it. And let it go. So it just like barely gives it anything, and then whatever kind of like wave it has, it just goes down, which is what I like. So this is one side. Yeah. So now for the other side, we're gonna do the same thing, except just opposite. So you still want to keep this behind your hair and try to keep it to like the thicker part. Okay. Also, you guys, I don't know if you checked out my last video on my channel. I did a video on Kim Kardashian's Met Gala makeup look that Makeup by Mario did. Yeah, it was really fun to do. If you guys want to go check that out, check it out. I think you guys got the point. So I'm gonna finish my hair and I'll be right back. Okay, so that's it. So I finished curling both sides. So actually with this piece, I don't do anything with it. It always just has its like natural wave to it, and let it blend in. This is all I really do. I actually don't put any product in my hair after. I don't really like hairspray because I want it to just fall on its own, which it will like really soon. I still think this is like too curly for me, but this is what I do for it to like just get really loose. So that's it, you guys. I'm all done. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.